Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you this dual monitor UPERFECT sent me to try and review. So I'm going to give you my opinion, how I received it, how does it work, and the different ways I'm using it for a few weeks now. I've been always multitasking and split screening with a bunch of windows open with some music in the background and 1,000 open tabs. That's why I've been curious about those stacked dual monitors that let you look at multiple windows and apps simultaneously, and I must say I received this at the right time. So this is the UPERFECT Delta Pro Touch 16-inch 2.5K dual monitor with a touch pen. This is how I received it. It was inside another box, so very well protected. Alright, let's unbox this. Here we have the portable monitor wrapped in. We are going to have a stylus here for the touch screen. I'm really excited to try this out. We have one power adapter and a lot of cables, 2 USB-C cables, 2 mini HDMI and one USB-A to USB-C cable. I suppose this is for the pencil. And here's the monitor. It has a nice black color and this is how it looks inside. The first thing we see, of course, is how the displays are super glossy. There are power buttons for each display in the right side with 2 separate audio jacks, and we can see all the other inputs here on the left side. We have 3 USB-C and 2 mini HDMI ports. So let's see how it works. First thing to know is it doesn't have a built-in battery. All you need is a USB-C power source to make it work. I like to use just this cable to connect my laptop to the displays, and it directly works. You don't need any drivers to use it. You just plug and play. So yes, using only one cable is enough to power the displays and to connect them to your laptop. However, to be able to use all the functions of the displays and to increase the luminosity of the screens, it's better to use 2 cables. So you can connect both cables to the laptop or one cable to the laptop and the other to a power source, for example. The amazing part is that you can connect 2 separate devices at the same time. Like here I have a movie from my laptop and I connected my Switch so I can play at the same time. The good news, all the cables you need are included in the box, so you don't have to buy more. And with all the inputs, it gives you a lot of flexibility on multiple devices that you can connect this, which is amazing. There is 4 different modes that you can change on the settings. The first option is the mirror mode and the extend mode, where only the dual displays are mirrored to each other and keep your main device separate. The link mode is the best and the one I'm using the most. So this combines both displays that make one big screen, and using only one cable is enough for this. So I resize each app or window to fit each separate screen, so I have 3 different screens in the end, and that's amazing. The split mode makes each display its own input. That's how you can connect different devices on the different displays, or you can use only one like this. You can use it in different positions, and once you close it, it just looks like a laptop. The screens are protected, making it easy to carry on the go. Besides, the integrated stand gives you a good amount of angle. You can have the bottom screen angled more towards you, which would make drawing more comfortable. Or you can close the kickstand and lay the bottom screen flat and have the top screen folded just like a laptop. You can use just one of the screens, or you can share what's on your screen to someone sitting opposite from you. It also has a built-in speakers for each monitor and they work independently. You don't need to connect an external speaker, so having it already here is great. Here are different ways I used the monitor these last weeks. First is for multitasking like crazy. Before, I used to divide the screen of my laptop into 2 parts, but it was never enough and that was too small anyway. With the dual monitors, I open multiple windows and apps at the same time, and I'm happy to finally be able to multitask in peace. I find this vertical setup very satisfying, and as an architect, I love to use it for opening the 3D model in one display and the technical drawings in the other. The touchscreen is super responsive. I was actually very surprised. I tried making illustration on Photoshop, I tried technical drawings on AutoCAD, I tried 3D modeling on SketchUp, and yes, it works very well. I must say it takes some time to get used to it with some software like AutoCAD, as this is the first time I was using it with a pencil, but I will definitely continue using this more and I love to experiment. I also tried connecting my iPad and it worked. Of course, don't expect to be able to do the same things you can do on your iPad, but it's great for doing simple things and showcasing them. Also, sometimes when I have to work on something that doesn't need 100% of my attention, I like to open a video or movie on one of the display and continue working with the other. It's also great for chilling or gaming. I like to play with the Switch in one and watch a video with the other. So there are infinite possibilities on using these monitors. As an architect and content creator, I'm very happy with it. Having multiple displays is amazing for productivity, and here in this case it's also portable with a touchscreen and a high resolution. So yes, I can't wait to use it more in my projects. And that's it for this video. Let me know what you think. I will leave a link and the discount code in the description below if you are interested. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Bye!